What is up, guys? It has been a while. So I'm gonna start this video by saying that I got my very first car that my dad, my grandfather, and I built when I was in high school for when I was turned 16 years old, and it ended up being such a monster that my dad wouldn't let me take it till I was like 17, get some experience under my belt. Well, I got it back. It ended up coming back to me in this crazy weird way. When I introduce you to the car more, I'll explain it. But we are redoing the aluminum wheels today. I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. So here's one of the factory 16x8 formula wheels. Now, these older GM wheels, it wasn't like this when I had it the first time. These were beautiful, but the clear coat peels, very common with GM. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy with the soft pad, go around it, clean off all the bad spots. Then I'm going to take this guy with some sandpaper and do the whole face, and I'll hand sand in between the spokes. So I have already done one wheel, as you can see from the post. We did gloss black lip, matte black face, and the center caps are going to be gloss black to match the lip when it's done. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I did the short part of sanding. I wasn't going to make you watch the whole thing because it's super boring. Started with this. Take the heavy stuff off. Finished with this. Using the 220 roll. This. And it's 220 grit. And I finished off with some light hand sanding, and I'll show you what we got so far. Okay, so I did do one light coat of primer. I used white primer first, because it shows me any imperfections, like if there's any clear coat that I missed that's lifting or anything like that. Then I will let this dry, I will scuff it off, reprime it with the stuff that I want to use, and we'll paint it from there. Okay guys, so we've been busy. We just got the coat of, well, let me go back for a minute. So, we waited for our white primer to dry, the initial one that you saw me put on. We scuffed it with this right here. This is red Scotch-Brite. Scuffed it all down smooth. Cleaned it up, and we painted it again with the Rust-Oleum filler primer. Now when that dries, we'll knock the high spots off again with the Scotch-Brite, clean it up again, and then we will continue painting. Alright guys, so we're sitting in the living room watching TV. I'm going to start masking this guy off. Then I'm going to scuff it because I don't want to scratch the WS6 logo in the center. But let me take 5 minutes to shout out to my amazing girlfriend, Sarah. Look at this. This is a buffalo chicken calzone. Look at this. Oh, it's so freaking good. You don't even know. I love this girl. She is fucking amazing. Alright, so our primer had dried. I'm trying not to bore you with this. So, after the primer dried, we went through and we rescuffed the wheel again with our Scotch-Brite pad. Alright? Now, we painted the lip, gloss black. That's about 2 good coats right there. We're going to let it dry, do one more coat. Then we're going to clear it. And once it's cleared and it's dried, we're going to back mask the lip, cover the lip, and then we'll shoot the matte black on the face. But before we do that, obviously we got to scuff the face again. Right around here where the matte black is going to lay, because there's going to be clear coat on it and you want it to stick right. Here's one of the center caps with one coat on it. And yeah, we'll be back with some more. Guys and girls, we're back. Now that lip, we got all clear coated, painted. Well, masked it. We did a nice mask line right out. Yeah, masked it around there. I can go a spot right here, but you know what? There we go. Yeah, Dylan's here chilling. He helping, working hard. Now we're gonna paint a matte black right there in the face. But first we're gonna scuff it. but we ain't gonna bore you and make you watch that. Then we gonna paint. Alright, we be back. And there it is with the matte black paint. I know it's hard to see down here, but boy does it look good. We're gonna pull the tape right now. Look at that. That looks nice. Got that matte black Santa. Gloss black lip. That looks good. There's one of our center caps all done. Yeah. Looks so much better. A lot of work, but looks a lot better. Yeah. Hey guys, that was just a quick little video. Obviously you watched us do one wheel. We're not gonna like continue the video with all the wheels, same process. Quick, painless, easy, simple, kind of like a how-to guide. Show you that no matter how beaten your wheels are, you can redo them, can make them better instead of spending the money on the new wheels if your budget won't allow it. So thank you guys. Hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you later.